Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today for dinner I'm cooking potatoes with beef mince. So I'm going to peel my potatoes. So I'm using 3 potatoes. These are large potatoes. Just peel them and then wash them. So peel 3 potatoes. Alright, now I'm going to cut my potatoes into cubes. Cutting into cubes, guys, so that they can cook faster. So in the end, I've used 4 potatoes. So 4 potatoes. You can use as many as you want, but I'm just using 4. And I'm cooking for 3 people. Alright, my potatoes are nice and cut. Look at that, they are nice and cut into cubes. Now it's time to cook the potatoes. Alright, now I'm in a large pan. I heat up my pan and I'm adding oil. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Add some oil and make sure the oil is nice and hot. Now I'm going to add my potato. So cook the potatoes until they are nice and golden brown. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, just a teaspoon of salt, and black pepper. A teaspoon of black pepper. Alright guys, I'm gonna let this cook for a few minutes and then I will mix through again. I'm just going to add a little bit of paprika just for color. So I'm going to cook the potatoes until they are nice and soft. They're still a little bit hard, guys. I'm just gonna keep cooking until they are soft. Let me add a little bit of water, just 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to help the cooking process. Guys, the potatoes are getting soft. I think I'm gonna cook them a little bit longer, but they're getting soft. And now I'm going to cook them beef mince. Guys, the potatoes are cooked to what I like and they're soft. I'm going to set them aside. In the same pan, I'm going to prepare my beef mince. I'm adding oil. I'm going to add about 500 grams of mince and then break it down. Just break the mince down, guys, and cook. Until they are golden brown. Just breaking it down. Adding black pepper, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cayenne seasoning. Just gonna cook. Well guys, I'm going to cook the meat and the spices until they're nice and golden brown. I'm looking for a nice consistent and golden brown, so I cook this for about 5 minutes or so. Just make sure the meat is nice and cooked. So for this recipe I've used beef mince, and beef mince is quite a budget meal. And now I'm adding one large onion, and then cook for a minute or two until the onion is nice and cooked and soft. Like I was saying, guys, my channel is all about budget meals, and this is one of the most budget friendly meals to cook. And you can buy the meals for about $5 or so, and then you can cook the meat for for more than 3 people. And now I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic paste, and then I'm going to mix the garlic through, and everything is starting to smell good. And now that is cooked, I'm adding tomato paste. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. If you've got a can of tomato, you can use that, but I'm using 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And then cook the tomato paste for about 2 minutes or so. You make sure the tomato paste is mixed through, and yeah, this is looking good. Now I'm just gonna add half a capsicum that I've diced. Half a capsicum diced into small pieces. Then just cook through until the capsicum is starting to soften. Guys, this is looking good. Now I'm going to add half a cup of chicken stock. Half a cup. cook for a few minutes, and then I'm going to bring back my potatoes that I cooked earlier. Mix through the potatoes and the beef mince. Just going to add garlic chives from the garden.